I was rear-ended by a fellow co-worker driving home actually after work, and I don't know if he wasn't paying attention or what he was doing inside of his vehicle, but he just rammed in the back of mine. My back was hurting, my neck was hurting, my left arm would go numb on its own, like periodically, it just randomly come and go. Actually, this would be my second time here. The first time I called 411 pain and they referred me over, and then the second time I kind of knew where I was going. Just about the same, it was pretty good. I mean, got everything done. I really didn't have to do too much. You guys kind of took care of everything that needed to be taken care of. Yes, I actually have. Majority of the time it was Jasmine keeping me informed step by step, what was going on, why it was going on. Just she kept me very informed.